Hello guys, welcome back to short class on Revit architecture. I am Praveen, CAD design engineer from Globtech Engineering Solutions, Rajarajeshwari Nagar, Bangalore. Today class I am going to explain you how to create a roof for the plan. So this is my plan I already created. For creating the roof, you have to go to level 2. So this window will appear. Next go to architecture tab. You can see here roof option is there, so just drop down it. Varieties of roof profiles are available here. I am choosing first one, roof by footprint. So select that one, and using the draw tools, varieties of draw tools are available. Using that draw tools you can create a profile. So I am taking here rectangle, just drawing here. After creating the profile, just give finish here. If you want any edit means, so go to edit type and duplicate it and give rename. I'm giving as roof one window. If you want thickness means, go to edit again and change the thickness here. I want 6 inch, so mention. So if you want any material means, you can choose here. I'm randomly I'm giving one material, just okay. If you want to see preview is available, after that just okay that one and again okay. The roof will be created. That's not visible in 2D. For viewing this, go to view tab. Okay, view tab, 3D view. See, in default 3D, you can see roof is created. For more clear, you go to visual style, change the style. So this will be, so roof will be created here. You can see here. But this roof is attached as wall. If you want hanging means, you can do it. How it that will be possible. Uh, if you have further edit option is there in mode option is edit footprint. Before I will show you how to create a hanging. For hanging I am deleting this profile and again I am going to architecture tab. So roof drop down, roof by footprint, and here before creating the roof you can give offset here, that means hanging. So I want 2 feet hanging, so entering 2 feet and using rectangle you can draw, or else you can have one option pick walls. Just picking the walls you can create the roof walls. That one, after closing the loop, just escape and finish edit mode. Choose that type you created roof one and so apply. You want to see, go to 3D view. You can see that hanging will be done. For more clear, go to correct view on view, that will be hanging is created. If you want further changes, if you don't want slope for two sides means, you can edit. How it will be, just select that one, go to level 1, you can see edit footprint. So now you can select which slope you don't want. Like this you can select, and you have one option here, define slope. So uncheck this and finish. You can see right now how it will be created. Only two side slopes are created, another two steps are not created. The wall will be whole here. So for attaching the wall, just select the wall and just press tab and again select. All walls are selected, then attach. Top is here. Choose top and choose the which level you want to attach. That will be attached. Okay, that's clear, right? That will be clear. If you want another option, can edit footprint, go to level here. You don't want slopes in that roof. For that also you can select the another roof. So okay, another sides. Okay, Uncheck this define slope and give finish. You are getting plain roof here. You can see plain roof will be created. This is the creation of roof. Clear, right? Thank you for watching.